जहेज मांग कर ज़मीरो आदमियत बेच देते हो, नसीहत बाप की माँ की वसीयत बेच देते हो। जहेज मांग कर ज़मीरो आदमियत बेच देते हो, नसीहत बाप की माँ की वसीयत बेच देते हो। और जो बेटी घर में आई है वो नेमत लेकर आई है
कि अगर कोई आपसे दहेज मांगता है तो भी उनसे शादी अपनी बेटी के ना करवाएं और आप खुद दहेज ना मांगे।
लोग बूढ़े हो जाते हैं, टेंशन में मर जाते हैं, लोग घबरा जाते हैं और कभी कभी शादी हो भी गई और उसके बाद भी टार्चर होता है। तो इतना बड़ा अमाउंट देने के बाद भी, इतनी मेहनत से कलेक्शन करने के बाद सारी चीज़ें अगर बाद में कंप्लेन आती है तो उस माँ बाप पे क्या गुजरती होगी।
Welcome back on English by Hafiz.
जहेज मांग कर ज़मीरो आदमियत बेच देते हो, नसीहत बाप की माँ की वसीयत बेच देते हो। जहेज मांग कर ज़मीरो आदमियत बेच देते हो, नसीहत बाप की माँ की वसीयत बेच देते हो। और जो बेटी घर में आई है वो नेमत लेकर आई है, बड़े तुम लालची हो घर की इज्जत बेच देते हो।
वाओ, इनक्रेडिबल, माइंड ब्लोइंग, ऑसम, फैंटास्टिक।
One of the most incredible, inscrutable session show. Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is me Zuhair Shad from class 12th A. Today we are discuss about dowry. Everybody knows dowry is very bad, especially for girls. Many times girls are doing suicide, mentally torture, and listening bad tone from the relatives, from the neighbors. Many times neighbors and relatives said your daughter are sitting in the home at the age of 28, 29, 30. I think it's a reason about boys side, because when the father and mother want to marry of our daughter, so the other side, groom side, everybody want dowry. I think you should take only one person, your future wife, your life partner, you search only your daughter-in-law, not want dowry, because it's a very pernicious, it's a very dangerous, and I think you should eradicate these type of disgusting things.
Yeah, thank you, wonderful, incredible mind. Hi everyone, once again welcome back. Such a disgusting, right, and very great issue matter. This is the dowry, which has become one kind of dangerous, perilous, pernicious things in our society, in our country. Today time, really, it's a very heavy, enormous and huge burden, both of the parents, especially those who are going for getting marriage, their daughter and sister. All right. Today I conducted such kind of session. My motive, my purpose here, just I want to eradicate, wreck such kind of disgusting culture which is really damaging indirectly our people life, parents heart, father and mother. Really, this is so dangerous in our life. So today I want to eradicate, wreck on the ground level. That is why I am sitting on the ground. On the ground, if we are doing any work from the ground level, so we can finish, we can eradicate, we can wreck, we can alright. So these issues, culture has emerged everywhere. I thought sometime people consider they have actually misconception, misunderstanding themselves. They are considering dowry is more essential, vital than the wedding, than the nikah, than the right webs. Because in our society, in our country, all the girls, a great, a huge number of girls, they are facing lots of problem. They are facing lots of problem in their life just because of dowry. People, parents, they feel burden, and we all are actually looking in the society. Girls, they are considering one kind of burden. Why? Because just because of the dowry. Even after getting married, lots of parents, lots of girls, they are being tortured, harassed, persecuted by the groom family, groom badly. Even also some cases eradicated, some cases came out in front of our eyes. Many girls, they committed suicide. Why? Because they could not bear such kind of disgusting, disgusting culture, which is really so dangerous for our society. So that is why I think that we need to finish, we need to eradicate, we need to wreck, we need to write, we need to finish such kind of culture which is really hurting to everyone, every girls especially. This is the dowry. People demand dowry, everywhere dowry. If there is not dowry in the marriage, in the wedding, then people actually, they are not feeling, they are not realizing well. Yeah, why? What is this? What is this? So we need to finish such kind of problem. So ladies and gentlemen, we should avoid. We should stop. Otherwise, we shall have to face lots of problem in our life, in our society. If I finish such kind of problem from the society, definitely I can get rid a great huge number of girls as well as parents. You know, a big amount of money parents, they have to manage while the wedding, while the marriage. If they are going to get married, their daughter or sister, a big amount of money, people, they are demanding multiple kind of things, even money and car, bike, furniture item, lots of product item they are demanding. They are demanding. Then why are we demanding? There is a saying that कि अगर कोई एक बकरी का बच्चा पालता है तो किसी को देने के लिए 10 बार सोचता है फ्री में, राइट? सोचता है कि कैसे दूं और उसके लिए पैसा लेता है, उसको बहुत तकलीफ़ होती है। तो ये माँ बाप जो एक बेटी को क्या करते हैं, पालते हैं, आपके हवाले करते हैं, तो इससे बड़ा और क्या गिफ्ट, इससे बड़ा और क्या चीज़ हो सकती है कि हम लोग डाउरी को क्या करते हैं, एम्फसाइज करते हैं, बढ़ावा देते हैं, प्रमोट करते हैं. वी ऑल आर प्रमोटिंग, स्पेशली रिच फैमिली, दे आर प्रमोटिंग टू द डाउरी. But poor family, middle class family, really they are facing, they are bothering lots of just because of dowry. If you finish the session of dowry, then we can make so simple, easier wedding party and ceremony. So simple, easily everybody they can get marriage. Marriage doesn't allow, marriage doesn't mean that ki dowry, any kind of dowry. Product, item, car, bike, money, whatever you are demanding as a dowry. Really, this is so disgusting, hilarious. Okay, would you like to say something about the Pratima ma'am?
Dowry is not good for any one person. Reason of dowry: poor person not able to give treasure bride groom family, and a poor person facing lot of problem. Daughters think my father is not able to give treasure and money like this dowry. Then she is very sad and she is face lot of problem. And villagers say that he is not able to give treasure and dowry. His daughter is live in the home and stay in the home, and she age is 29-30 and she will not get marriage. So I want to say that my dear audience, you make understand and improve ourselves ki I will not give treasure and I will not give dowry, not give dowry and not take dowry. मैं ना तो दूंगा दहेज और ना तो लूँगा, क्योंकि बड़े लोगों को देख करके हम गरीब लोग क्या करते हैं, दिखावे के चक्कर में अपना घर बेच देते हैं, ज़मीन बेच देते हैं और बाद में बहुत परेशानियां हमारे घर में आती हैं. इसलिए हम आप लोग से यही कहना चाहते हैं कि अगर कोई आपसे दहेज मांगता है तो भी उनसे शादी अपनी बेटी के ना करवाएं और आप खुद दहेज ना मांगें, क्योंकि हमारे घर में बेटी है तो हम उसकी शादी करने जाते हैं तो लड़के वाले मांगते हैं तो हमें बुरा लगता है, हम नहीं दे पाते हैं. तो इसलिए अगर हमारे पास लड़का है तो हम किसी भी गरीब लड़की की शादी करके उसकी खूब अच्छी सी इज्जत करें अपने घर में लाके. तो थैंक यू सो मच.
वंडरफुल. सो वी शुड विरोध, वी शुड प्रोटेस्ट, राइट? ना जहेज दहेज हमें लेना है और ना देना है. अगर कोई ऐसा डिमांड कर रहा है, इफ समवन डिमांडिंग, सो वी शुड एक्चुअली रिजेक्ट बाय कार्ड. those family who are demanding, who are following, who are accepting, acknowledging dowry system, because it has become right actually Nasur. It can become so dangerous for our society, real. You realize that if you have 5 daughters or 5 sons, so how will you manage? Your total income is that per year is that only 50,000, 1 lakh rupees, and in one marriage actually take 10 lakh rupees, 12 lakh rupees. How will you manage? लोग बूढ़े हो जाते हैं, टेंशन में मर जाते हैं, लोग घबरा जाते हैं, और कभी कभी शादी हो भी गई और उसके बाद भी टार्चर होता है। तो इतना बड़ा अमाउंट देने के बाद भी, इतनी मेहनत से कलेक्शन करने के बाद, सारी चीज़ें अगर बाद में कंप्लेन आती है तो उस माँ बाप पे क्या गुजरती होगी जो अपनी बेटी को क्या करता है, शादी करके भेजता है। हम कभी इस बात को सोच नहीं सकते। तो हमें जस्ट वी ट्राई टू इरेडिकेट सच काइंड ऑफ प्रॉब्लम। रियली वी नीड टू वर्क हेयर, वी नीड टू फिनिश हेयर। एक तरीके से लड़कियों के ऊपर देखा जाए तो बहुत बड़ा जो एक कलंक लगता है, देयर इज वन काइंड ऑफ स्टिग्मा, एक्चुअली दिस इज द डाउरी। होना तो ये चाहिए, लड़के कमा रहे हैं, लड़के की तरफ से डाउरी देना चाहिए, लेकिन यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, लड़की दे रहा है। Because boys, they have power, they can go, they can visit, they can earn money, they should provide some kind of money. Alright, so would you like to say something?
Many people said it's a tradition, so I think you should ban this type of tradition, and you should stop this type of tradition, because if you follow this type of disgusting things, so many youth generation facing a lot of problem, facing a pressure, facing a mental tortures, and I think we should ban. And also that I request everybody, especially for boys, please don't take a dowry, and you don't give a dowry for your daughter, for your sister, because if you give a dowry your daughter, your sister, so another person take to poor family to take a dowry.
Very good, wonderful, zabardast. So ladies and gentlemen, I would like to request, recommend all you, please boycott dowry. Eradicate the dowry. Finish the dowry. If you finish the dowry, if you eradicate the dowry, if you wreck the dowry, really, we can provide full freedom to all girls, sisters, and women from one kind of stigma. Really, this is so important, vital. So please, never ever take the dowry. Never ever take the dowry. Finish the dowry. Eradicate the dowry. Wreck the dowry. And bring changes. And promote your sister, your daughter. You all guys have daughter, have sister. You face lots of problems. सभी फेस कर रहे हैं, लेकिन कोई बोलना नहीं चाहता। सभी जानते हैं गलत है, लेकिन कोई कहना नहीं चाह रहा। बाइकाट नहीं करना चाहता। सभी लोग गुनाह में डूबे हुए हैं। सभी लोग डाउरी ले रहे हैं और दे रहे हैं। बहुत बड़ा इशू है, प्लीज ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, प्लीज change this kind of culture. Please change this kind of culture. Eradicate. Finish from your dictionary, from this world. Then we can enjoy. We can make beautiful, glorious, stunning, fabulous wedding, party, partner, life, everything we can make so beautiful. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best.
Wishing you all the best.
Take care and notice. Remember this point. Thank you very much.
Thank you.